you get when you assemble thousands of geeks under one roof? You get 2 days of pop culture, cosplays, and lots of merchandise sold. We saw a bunch of fans dress up as their favorite pop culture idol, be it a superhero, an anime character, or even their favorite gameplay character.
I am cosplaying as Pyramid Head from Silent Hill 2.
And I am cosplaying as Asta from Black Clover.
I'm cosplaying as Charlemagne from Fate Game.
I'm cosplaying as Jin Kazama from Tekken 8. It's a game.
I'm cosplaying like a demon from Demon Slayer Season 4, Swordsmith Village arc.
I am cosplaying as Candice from Genshin Impact.
And I'm cosplaying as Kaneki Queen from Tokyo Ghoul.
I'm dressed up as Yamato from One Piece.
Hi, I am Hoshino Ai from Oshinoko.
My character is Wachang from Heaven's Official Blessing.
And I'm cosplaying as Anduin Shadowland from World of Warcraft.
The cosplay is not just about fun and games now. In the very first edition of Comic Con India, there were only 13 people who cosplayed to the event, but that number exceeds 2,000 now.
From Genshin Impact, I've cosplayed Deya in Delhi Comic Con, and yesterday I was Tengen Sama from Demon Slayer, and I've cosplayed a lot.
I've started with Batman actually, Dark Knight Rises.
I've cosplayed as Shanks from One Piece, Shinsui from Bleach.
I just had this thing, okay? And this was like a karateka top that you have. And I was like, maybe I could do Yamato's top with this.
Growing rapidly, is growing very fast. Like you guys can see, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने इतने अच्छे cosplay किए हैं.
The last time I've cosplayed, I've did most of like JJK ones, One Piece, Naruto.
This is my second Comic Con. I've been to some other events also, and I've noticed that in the span of these years, events have increased a lot.
In recent years, Indian cosplayers have been turning their beloved hobby into a part-time or even a full-time profession.
I am a professional cosplayer. Okay. So I've been doing since 7 years.
You can get anybody can get a gig. Even like a cardboard costume can get a gig.
And in 2018, I decided I could just cosplay as a job as a software engineer and pursuing character as a cosplayer.
So I started 4 years ago. I have always liked dressing up, so
People started liking my cosplays, they wanted me to build their props and all.
For me, it's been always less investment and high gains, always. But it doesn't happen to other people as well.
Actually, it is growing. Many people are coming into cosplay like again and again and again. They do a cosplay, then they try to improve it, upgrade it. I did the same thing.
I just wanted to do something fun. But then, like I said, I uploaded it online, it went viral. They were like, people were saying that, call Netflix, give him the role and all that. It was so crazy.
They had like many opportunities, kind of. They can do the modeling part, they can do live shows, and they're like making like Bollywood part.
You do get a lot of hate. The internet is not a nice place.
So when you see magic, you're like, man, I want to do that.
Regardless, these cosplay artists are proving that with the right talent and passion, it can open up new and exciting opportunities in this ever-growing industry. This is Yukta Bed with camera person Vivek Amre signing off for NDTV Profit.